What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and today I have a new Nintendo Switch control pad to review. This is called the Power 6054 control pad, and many thanks to them for sending this out. So firstly, you can see it is a predominantly white control pad. On the right hand side we got a few pictures. So it is a wireless control pad with motion sensors, USB Type-C and dual vibration. Now if we take a quick look at the back, there's a bit more information like the weight, the charging current, the battery capacity is 550 milliamps, and then we have the battery usage time of about 10 hours with charging time up to 2 hours. Anyway, let's take a quick look. If I can get it to open, here we go. So we have the charging cable that dropped out, and then the controller. So it is a USB Type-C controller. I'm sorry, charging cable. If you can see as I bring it up, and then the instruction manual. There are a few illustrations here, but to actually pair it is just to hold the home button down, and that's it, which we'll actually see later on in the video. As for the controller, so far it's got a snug fit. Here you can hear the sounds of the clicks. So we've got the minus, turbo, home, screenshot, plus, then your face buttons, and the D-pad. And I do like this color accent, like a green and blue, like the Animal Crossing, and it probably did get inspiration from there. This hole here might be for a reset. Then obviously we got the USB Type-C charging port. So yeah, I'll be very interested to see how well this performs. So to pair the control pad, we're going to go over to the settings icon and press that. Then we're going to go into the first option, change grip order. Next, I'm going to press and hold on to the home button until the lights flash at the bottom here. And I'm not going to press any other buttons. And there you go, it's connected. So press A to confirm, then B to back out. And that is it, you are ready to go. Now before I start a game, I just want to mention that there are other Switch Pro controllers out there, but from what I've read, they don't wake the Switch, but this controller seems to do so, as you can see here. The first game that I'm going to try is Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. This is being played at 200cc. Now the joystick movements are precise. You can see I can do skids and everything perfectly, no issues. Next up we have another popular game, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and once again the controller is working absolutely fine. Now I'm going to move on to Street Fighter 3 Third Strike, which can be found in the Street Fighter Anniversary Edition game. Now here we can extensively check how good the joystick is, the D-pad is, as when it comes to fighting games, Street Fighter is probably the best games to test it with, and we can see if it has any problem pulling off special moves, which are quarter circle, half circle, double quarter circles, etc. Okay, so that does it for this review video, and a huge thanks to Joyskypower for sending this out. Now honestly, for less than £25, this Pro controller is actually very good. It's got a great feel to it, good rumble, and for fighting games the D-pad is excellent. The controller also wakes the Switch from sleep. However, the only negative point is that there is no NFC amiibo support, but you have to remember this controller costs less than half the price of an official Pro controller. If you are in the market to buy an inexpensive controller for your Switch, then I can recommend this, and you can find the buying link in the description. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.